already know who it is. It's your girl Kelsey. And today, you guys, I am serving you this beautiful, I call it like, it's like Ninja Turtle, Leprechaun green. But it is so pretty. When I first started, I was a little nervous, you guys, but it came out very cute. And it's definitely something that I've never worn before, so it's definitely out of the norm. But I really like the way the look came out. If you guys checked out my previous video, I did a pink look. It was like pink and purple look with this palette right here called Bright Lights. And I told you I was going to come back with another look, and this is the look that I got. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, first, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like this video, and please feel free to leave a comment if you have any suggestions, if you have anything you might want to see in the future, or just tell me what you think about this look, because it is popping. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Okay, so I'm going in with my brows. You already know what pencil I use, which I done recently switched, so I can't wait to do a new video. But that is the Color Mates pencil in the color brown black, and I get it from Dollar Tree, so you get 2 of them for $1, y'all. You can't beat it. And then I'm using the Maybelline concealer in number 55 to conceal my brows. Now I'm going to go back in with that Maybelline concealer in the number 55 for a base. And I'm going to take that color Lit. It's like a yellow looking color. And just apply that in the crease of my eye. And y'all, I was shocked that this pigment, like this color was so pigmented, like it blew my mind. And then I'm going in with this color Smash. It's more like a lime green color, which if I would have used what I have now, my Revolution C1, the lightest color, or even just the light color period, those colors would have popped even more. So now I'm going in with Punky. It's like a darker green, and I'm gonna just put that in my outer V. Okay, so I'm taking this color Glitz. And although I didn't cut out my crease, I am using the motion, going in the motion as if it is a cut crease. Like, it's so pigmented. Like, y'all really need to get this palette, Pinky Rose Bright Lights, off the chain, okay? Like, look at it. One thing I can definitely say about this eyeshadow, it is, it does have a lot of fallout, like it's powdery, but the colors are awesome. Like, so if you're a person that do your foundation first, and if you want to get this palette, I would suggest doing your eyes first, then putting on your foundation. Now I'm going to take this glitter called Cupcake, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. And as you can see, I originally tried to use this brush, but girl, it wasn't working, so I used my finger, and it started working perfectly. So that's what I did. I used my finger to apply the glitter all over my eye. And I just, oh my God, like, it was just so cute. It's so cute. And I'm taking that dark green color, I think it was called Smash, and putting it back in the outer V just to darken it up. Now I'm going in with my favorite eyeliner, which is e.l.f. in the, I think it's in black. Yeah, it's in black, because they got one in charcoal, which I absolutely hate. But I also have a new eyeliner, y'all. Like, I have to do an updated tutorial. Like, now I use the NYX matte, and it's off the chain. And these are my Miss 3D lashes. Forgive me, I don't know what number those were, and I was actually reusing those for this video, so I'm not sure what I was using, but they were cute. They were cute. Right here, I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime skin-based visage or visage or something. I got it in my Ipsy bag, and y'all, it make your skin feel so good. I gotta buy the big bottle, like literally. Oh, and right here, I'm using my Oriza skin primer. It make your skin look very shiny, like not oily, but like it gives it that skin finish, which is what I love. And then on top of that, I'm using my Maybelline Dewy foundation in the number 355. Now I'm taking my Maybelline concealers in the numbers 40 and 55. I mixed the two because I don't want it too light. I like a normal, or not normal, but a natural highlight under my eyes. And just look at my skin. You see what I mean? It's not like matte. It just look like skin is very beautiful. But I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal Hydra Perfect powder. Like, I pretty much used that up. And, yeah, that's my favorite. Right now, I'm using Airspun. But this one right here, the L'Oreal, is off the chain. You have to try it. Like, you have to try it. So I had messed up because I had caught myself trying to contour with a dark maroonish color originally from the Ruby Kisses Dare blusher palette in 03, and it was too red, so I ended up using my regular 3D Ruby Kisses contour palette in the color, let me look at it real quick, medium dark, which toned down the reddishness in my face or whatever. And so and also to tone it down even more, I had, which you'll see in a few, I had used my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark Deep or Deep Dark, whichever one it was, and toned down that reddish color even more, which is what I'm doing right here. So it was like, yeah, it was redder. But that's one thing about makeup, you can always fix it, you know, by applying, like if something too red or too dark, apply your powder, honey. Yes. And fix it. So I'm going in with this highlight right now. It's in the color it's by DLS. It's a DLS bronzer, and it's in the color Skinny Dip. And then I'm going in with my Luna highlighter in the color Luna, which is, oh my gosh, it's just like, it's a natural glow. Like, I love the Luna. It's just like a natural freaking glow. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Y'all, look how good my skin looks. This is bothering me though. So now I'm going to use my NYX pencil in the color Espresso to line my lips. This is my favorite lip pencil. Like, once I find something I like, y'all, I stick to it. I don't really just go out and buy a lot of stuff. Like, I don't. Then I'm going to use this Eben lip gloss in the color Amazing, and it is amazing. You guys need to go try that. And then I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible pencil and line under my eyes. This pencil is also amazing. Like, it just works. So just to finish up on the eyes, I'm going to go back in with that smudge brush. Use that same darker green right under my eye. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Y'all know when powder get in your eye. Thank God my eyes ain't too sensitive, because I'll be cutting up. Woo. Ooh, 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 ooh. too. Okay, calm down, girl. Calm down. Then I'm going to use, what am I going to use? I'm going to use that lime green, that Smash. In the middle.
That's good.
And then I'm going to go back in with what I put on my lid. That Glitz. That minty greenish color. Pray for me. I don't want too much fallout, y'all. Ooh. Oh. Bam. And to finish up this beautiful look, which I ain't gonna lie, I was actually scared when I seen the beginning, but I am pleased. I'm going to use my Dewy NYX spray.